Hey guys, welcome back on Techno Vibes. This is Sachin and I hope you guys are in great health. Guys, in today's video, we will see that how you can create a Gmail account and in order to secure your Gmail account, how you can add extra level of security with the help of multi-factor authentication or two-step authentication. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can be notified about our next upload. So with that being said, let's get started. So guys, in order to open a Gmail account, you first have to open a website that is gmail.com. Click on create account. Fill up the details including your first and the last name, the username which you want to create, the password and reconfirm the password and post that. Click on next. When you hit next, you will be asked to enter the phone number and the recovery email address, which is optional. So we will not be using these two parts right now, but we will be using it later on while performing the two-step authentication. So as of now, all we need to enter is the date of birth and the gender. I'll put any random date of birth as of now. Let's say 1986. Gender male. Hit next. Let me see. On the next page, you will be asked to read the privacy and terms. Scroll down, more options, go through it, whatever it is, and then agree. Now we have got our own Gmail account and we have got the welcome screen. Hit next. Okay, and there you go. As you can see, we already have received a welcome mail from Gmail team. Thank you for creating a Gmail account. Here is some advice to get started with your Gmail account. That's it. As we have already created the account, now we will be securing it. In order to do that, you have to click on Techno Vibes, manage your Google account, personal info, contact information. In case you forget the password or you have lost the password, you're not able to access your account, how you will be able to recover it? You remember while we were creating Gmail account, we were asked about two optional information. That is the phone number and recovery email address. So we will be now putting it here. You have two options. Either you can add recovery phone number as well as email address while you are creating the account, or you can add it later on by clicking on the details here. So you just have to click on contact info. So you just have to click on contact info, email address. And as you can see that there is an option to add a recovery email. You just have to hit add recovery email. So as you can see that you will be asked to enter the password. Hit on add recovery email and just enter the email address which you want to add. Let's say and done. As you can see that now recovery email address has been added. I hope this is clear. Now the second option is the phone number. You just have to hit on phone, add now, enter the password. Add now again, and enter your phone number, and then hit on next. As of now, I am not adding any phone number because this is just for the demonstration purpose. So I'll cancel it. Back. So these are the two cases with the help of which you can recover your Gmail account. In case you are aware of any more ways to recover your Gmail account, do write that down in the comment section. Now, the next part is that how you can ensure the security of your Gmail account, that you are the only person who accesses the account. For that, what we will be doing is that we will be adding your two-step authentication, or you can say multi-factor authentication, with the help of which you can secure your Gmail account. You can add extra level of security while accessing your Gmail account. All you need to do, you need to click on security. As you can see that there are two options: use your phone to sign in or two-step verification. All you need to do is that you need to hit on two-step verification, get started, and then enter the phone number, choose the mode you want to get the code, and hit on next. So as soon as I hit next, as you can see that a code has been sent on my cell phone. All I need to do is that I need to enter the code and hit next. And as you can see that two-step verification has been successfully completed. Hit on turn on. So now you can see that two-step verification has been successfully turned on since 10th of May 2020. In case you want to turn it off, you simply have to hit turn off. So moving forward, whenever you try to access your Gmail account with the help of email address and password, you will be redirected to a different page where you have to enter the code which you will receive on your cell phone. And post that, once you have provided the code, you will be able to log on to your Gmail account successfully. So in case someone tries to hack your Gmail account, at that point of time, he will not be able to do that successfully, because at certain point he will need the code which you will be getting on your cell phone, which he will not be having. So guys, this is all for today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can be notified on our next upload. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next upload.